So how do you import audio into the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now and you're not going to miss anything important. So importing audio is a broad topic. So what you probably are referring to is to getting some audio files which you might have saved on some external device or some hard drive, and you want to move it over to the iPad. So you can, for example, have it on a SSD or USB stick or whatever. I, for example, might have it on my SD card. In order to import it to the iPad, I just need to figure out a way and connection to just move it and connect it physically to my iPad. So I can use this type of dongle where I connect it to the USB-C connector of the iPad and I insert the SD card to the other side. For the SSD drive, I would just use the USB-C cable, which I connect to both devices. But the point is that once the device is connected and recognized by the iPad, you can find it inside of the Files application. In the left panel in the sidebar, part of the locations, it should already appear right there, so you can open it and browse the files. And if you see that there is some audio which you want to import to your iPad, you can hold down on it, tap on Move or Copy, and then go to your On My iPad section, right, which is the local storage, and you can just move it there, right? So it's just that simple. You just move file from external location to your local iPad. That's how it generally works. If you have something specific which you have a question about, it's likely I made a video about that already, and if not, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video again. I'm just trying to help as many people as I can, so go ahead and do that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I get to see you later in the next videos as well.